Today I will be using basic video modeling to teach appropriate greetings. I'm at a party at my family's house, and my aunt, who has Asperger's syndrome, often struggles in social situations. One of the things she has trouble with is how to greet people when they come to the door. So I will be showing her a video that demonstrates appropriate greetings. It is important that teaching takes place in the most natural setting and at times when the target behavior can be used in a functional way. So we are in the same room that she will be demonstrating the target behavior immediately before guests will be arriving for the party.
Greetings. Hi, Tori. Tori? Oh! Was that a good greeting? No? Hi, Tori. Tori? Hello, Tori? Why doesn't Tori say hi to me? That was pretty rude. Maybe Tori is just not a very nice person. It's important to greet people you know when you see them. It shows them that you're being friendly and want to talk to them. If we don't use appropriate greetings, our friends may be confused or may have weird or negative thoughts about us. Let's watch Tori try again. It's Katrina. Hi, Katrina. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I'm here too. That was really friendly of Tori to say. I like talking to Tori. That was so much better. When you see someone you know, look at their eyes and say hello.
Hi, Stoney.
Hi, Susan. How are you today?
Okay.
Good. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Once the target behavior has been mastered in training sessions, plan for generalization. This gives the learner the opportunity to engage in the target behavior in new situations and with different individuals. The final step in video modeling is to fade the use of the video and prompts. As in good teaching, prompts are faded once the learner is making progress or is able to demonstrate the target behavior consistently.